Premature ejaculation, which describes the phenomena that occurs when ejaculation happens sooner than a man or his partner would like during sexual activity. It is considered the most common sexual disorder in the male population. Premature ejaculation can contribute to male infertility by limiting the opportunity for sperm to reach the eggs during intercourse. Additionally, psychological distress results from premature ejaculation may affect overall reproductive health and sperm quality, potentially impeding conception. Now let's talk about retrograde ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation is a condition where semen, instead of exiting through the penis during ejaculation, travels backward into the body. This happens when the nerves and the muscles in the bladder, which are supposed to close during orgasm, fail to do so. There are several reasons why this might occur. It could be due to certain medications, surgeries, or issues with the nervous system. These factors can interfere with the normal function of the muscles and nerves involved in ejaculation, causing semen to be redirected into the bladder instead of out through the penis. Now, there are certain immunological factors impacting fertility. Immunological infertility is a condition where the body produces antibodies that attack its own sperm, potentially hindering their movement and function. Understanding the triggers for the formation of these antibodies is essential in addressing immunological fertility issues. By identifying the underlying causes, we can explore appropriate treatment options to help mitigate the impact of these antibodies on the sperm function and improve your chances of conception. Now let's discuss obstruction in male fertility. Sometimes blockages can occur in the tubes responsible for transporting sperms. These blockages can result from various factors such as repeated infections, surgeries, swellings, or developmental defects. When these tubes are obstructed, sperm encounter difficulty in exiting the body during ejaculation. This obstruction prevents sperm from reaching their intended destination for fertilization. Identifying the underlying causes of these blockages is crucial for addressing fertility concerns. By understanding the reasons behind the obstruction, we can explore appropriate treatment options to help alleviate the blockages and improve your chances of conception. Now let's talk about chromosomal abnormalities and their impact on male fertility. Chromosomes carry the genetic information within our cells, including sperms. Changes in the number or structure of DNA within the sperm, such as missing part of the Y chromosome, can occur. And these chromosomal abnormalities can significantly impact fertility. They may affect sperm quality and function, making it more challenging for sperm to fertilize an egg successfully. Now, there are certain medications commonly used to treat various health conditions, including arthritis, depression, infections, high blood pressures, and cancer. These can indeed affect sperm production functions and delivery. These medications may interfere with the complex processes involved in sperm production or affect the functioning of the reproductive organs, ultimately impacting fertility. For example, some medications can disrupt hormone levels necessary for sperm production, while others may directly affect sperm motility or viability. Understanding the potential effect of medications on fertility is essential, especially for individuals planning to conceive. It's important to discuss any concerns about medication with your doctor. They can help explore alternative options or potential strategies to mitigate their impact on fertility. This ensures you can manage your health condition effectively while still addressing your concerns about fertility.